was to sign Lamar Odom, who was on crack.
YouTube, what's the deal, man? Back again with another review. A special review this time. Air Jordan 1 High OG TSSP. Brown box. You should know what the brown box is by now. These have been the talk of the town for a little bit over a week. Travis Scott Jordan 1s, man. Pink paper. Cactus Jack. The Travis Scott face. Nike Air. Air Jordan. All over the paper. Here's the shoe. Dope ass shoe, man. Now, let me get into my slight rant with this shoe. My issues with this shoe. And it's not really with Travis Scott. It's not really with the design of the shoe, because the shoe is dope. My issue is with Nike and their quality control system. Whatever the fuck they got going on right now, they need to fix it. These shoes, biggest issue, and the reason why it took so long for me to upload this. Actually, there was a couple reasons. One, I'm a college student, so I had summer classes that I started when this shoe actually came out that I had to focus on. But the second issue, why it took me so long to upload this video, is the fact that they sent me the wrong fucking size. The box said 11 and a half. I'm not gonna pull the box up again, but it said 11 and a half. I'm not even sure y'all gonna be able to see that. There it is, right there. There it is. They sent me a size 11 shoe inside of an 11 and a half box. I spent, from the day I got these, from the day the UPS person dropped them off at my door, till about 2 days ago, trying to get rid of them. I've been trying to size swap. I've been trying to sell them and use the money to get my pair, but all of it fell through, man. Prices jumped up, so I couldn't get my pair. Nobody wanted to size swap, so I'm keeping them, which it's not a huge issue. I could wear a size 11. I just don't want to. I'd rather wear an 11 and a half. Second issue, which is on the other shoe, is, yep, if you know that they say Cactus Jack on the side right there. It's not gonna show up. I'll probably take a picture of it and put it in the video, but for whatever reason, they printed it twice on the shoe, on my shoe. Like, there's extra paint on the side. I don't know what they were thinking. And on this shoe, if you can see that, it's lopsided as fuck. I feel like these, my pair at least, were never even supposed to leave production. I feel like these are past B grade. I feel like these were just a bad pair. They were supposed to throw these out. That's how I feel. But none of the issues are bad enough to where I can't wear them. So I'm still gonna keep them. Still happy to have them. Way happier than someone that didn't get them. Because, man, oh man. StockX is on some shit with these, boy. Prices keep going up. And on top of that, I'm hearing that there's fake pairs flooded on StockX. I don't know how true that is. Obviously, I don't have to buy a pair off StockX, but that's what I'm hearing. And that sucks. That really sucks, because you pay $900, $1,000 or whatever to get a pair that you really don't know if it's real or not, which is expected on StockX. But when you hear stuff like fake pairs are flooded on there and the fake pairs look so good that people are getting finessed, that shit is discouraging. And it would make somebody angry. But I got a retail pair off of Nike. A lot of people didn't hit on Nike, which is crazy. I feel like this one was easier than most. If you got through the issues that they were having on the website, I had the same problems as everybody else. The payment errors, the logging me off, all that shit. I was going through the same thing, but I stayed consistent, man. And I ended up getting a pair with ease too. It's not like I was waiting in the pending line or whatever for too long. I was only in the line for maybe not even a full minute. It just said got them. And that was that. Ended up getting the wrong fucking size though. But it is what it is. This shoe was dope though. Let me get to the shoe. Enough with the other shit. This shoe was dope. The materials on this shoe are crazy. I tried the shoe on. Like, the shoe isn't even, I haven't worn the shoe out or anything. You can see the insoles are white as fuck. I tried the shoe on and already they're creased. Like, the leather on these is soft as fuck. The suede or nubuck or whatever it is on the brown parts is amazing. And it's brown, so you really don't have to worry about getting it dirty, because I hate cleaning suede. It's just, it never feels the same after cleaning it. But with these, you're good. You're good with these. You don't really got to clean them that much. Stash pocket. When pictures of these first came out, that's all I wanted to fucking do, man. I don't have any dollars in the car to put in there, but you can put money in there. You can put whatever substance you feel is appropriate to go inside of a stash pocket. You can put in there. I won't judge because I don't care. But you could if you wanted to. Brown bottoms. The color on these is dark mocha. Now the bottom and the box give me chocolate vibes, which is what I love about the shoe. Combined with the pink laces. The pink laces is what made me actually get the shoe. Like, I was confident that I wasn't gonna get these. Didn't even care to really try. I was gonna save my money for those green Fear of God ones until I saw a picture of these with pink laces. When I saw a picture of these with the pink laces in, I knew I had to have them. The pink laces on these is dope. I don't know whose idea it was, but that nigga needs a raise. For real. Cactus Jack on the side, Nike Air on the front, which is also a dope touch. They could have put Cactus Jack on the front, but I feel like that would have fucked up the look of the Air Jordan 1 High OG. And Travis Scott probably thought the same thing, which is why they put Cactus Jack on the side. So that's dope. Little sick face on the back. Going back to my previous point, this fucked a lot of people up, because fake pairs look better than some real pairs on these. Every real pair looked different, which is expected because these are handmade. They're made in a factory, not with a bunch of machines, but with people. You're gonna get errors like that, but the errors they were so crazy that people didn't know what to think of it. The only way to know you got a real pair is if your pair came from Nike or a retailer. With these, you will never really know if you got a real pair or a fake pair. If you got them off of Flight Club, StockX, Go, or whatever, you will never know. And that's the craziest part. 4 sets of laces. Cream, brown, red. The black ones are what came in the shoe, but I took those out. What else is on this shoe, man? Not really much else on this shoe. This shoe is fire. Let me know down below what you think of the shoe. Do you think it's shoe of the year? We only about halfway into the year so far. They could drop something crazy on us, man. But do you think it's up there already? Do you think it's not even close? The Travis Scott Jordan 6s are said to be coming out next month. I know right now I'm not even gonna try and get them. I don't really care about 6s like that. And I'm happy with these. I got the Travis Scott 4s, the Travis Scott Air Force 1s, and now the Travis Scott Jordan 1s. And I'm cool with it. I don't really need the Jordan 6s. The Jordan 1 lows, I want. Those are nice. Those are a nice look. Especially with the backwards swoosh. A lot of people don't like this space right here that the backwards swoosh creates. But I feel like it reminds me of the Jordan 1 swooshless lows. Those pink ones. That's what that reminds me of. And I like that shoe. So I will be getting the Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows. I will be trying to get. That's it for me. Let me know what you think of the shoes in the comments. Like, subscribe. Tell me what you plan on getting this year, the rest of the year. May is kind of crazy. May had the Bread 4s, Travis Scott 1s, Cactus Plant Flea Market Vapor Max, and the Sacai waffles and blazers. I already got the Bread 4s, I already got the Jordan 1s. I know for a fact I'm not getting the Sacai waffles or blazers. If I do, then I'll probably sell them. I like the shoe, but I like the money just a little bit more. But that's it. That's the end of the video. These are the shoes. Signing out. Peace.